All right, everyone, a quick update on Pangolin here. So PNG, we're going to get a different look, a different perspective here. We are going to focus here today on the Coinbase chart to see how this works out. Now, we've been watching the Gate.io chart. We still have our target up here. I drew it on this chart for that $4.4 billion $20 PNG for that 66, 67X here. Now, without focusing on that right now, here on the Coinbase chart, it does have less history going from October of 2022 to that wick low. And these levels are being respected as we can see here for support and resistance. So maybe this is what a lot of people are watching here. They're looking at the Coinbase charts on a lot of things. So of course, comment down below if that is the case. Now looking here on Pangolin on the Coinbase chart, of course we had that bullish pattern back here where we took off. Once again, you can see we're still holding up even with this wick here and this wick. We are still holding up in this falling wedge pattern in my opinion, which also the low down here to the high is the 236 here at 30. If you remember on the other chart we were watching 31. So right now focus on 30. You can see this green candle after holding this pattern. We are still holding up over the much smaller 236 at 30, which over 30 I would say Pangolin is bullish here. And then as soon as this thing pushes back up to the 1618 at 48, then we'll know we're breaking out to the upside here and potentially a large move after that. You can see we do have the top here with that wick, but we may very well blow right through that up to the next stop, which is the 2272. And you can see a pretty decent move here, 600% move. So a 7x out of this pattern is possible. The last time we made a move out of a pattern here, as soon as we had this giant green candle spawn in, we came all the way up. Wow, we came up 900% almost. So we did a 10x out of this one. So who's to say we can't do, a 7 to 8 to 9x out of this one here? So we may be in store for a massive, decent move on Pangolin here. So yeah, about a 7x out of this pattern. So just keep that in mind. As long as we're over 30, we're still inside the pattern. We're still bullish, and we're still ready for that push higher. Now, if we end up falling back down below 30, the next stop possibly is the 1272 back to 21, and we may drop 31% here, and then even down to the smaller 382 at 16 and 46% drop. And also keep in mind, we can also do what we did back here to where we wick down below it, and ultimately the candle holds up here. So that is always a possibility. But right now it looks good. As long as you're over 30, you're currently at 31, I would say we're good to go in this bullish pattern on Pangolin. So what are your thoughts on Pangolin? We do have another target here. If Pangolin's only going to hit $1 billion market cap, that's going to take us up to around $5. You can see $4.95 for that 1 billion. And that's where from today you're going to get about a 16x on your investment for Pangolin here. And then that would be the top before she comes back down. So comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.